Have you ever owned a pistol you could swear would let you down if you were ever in a position where your life depended on it? That's what happens when you purchase handguns without proper guidance or recommendation. Thanks to continuous growth and innovations, many amazing pistols have hit the market. Insanely reliable pistols that will leave you awestruck by how they will come through just when you need them. So watch on to discover the most reliable pistols ever made. Also, if you hang on long enough, you'll discover how to make the most of your pistols no matter the category. I'm going to share some helpful tips with you later in the video. And now, on to the 5 best reliable pistols ever made. There's no denying the fact that the Beretta 92FS is one of the most reputable pistols on the market. For many years, the Beretta 92FS has served as a standard for many service pistols, and today it remains one of the most reliable pistols shooters are always drawn to carry when they need a handgun that'll be a trusted companion. Whether you're in the military or you're just a citizen trying to stay safe and protect your family, if you want a pistol that's a good investment for your money, will last longer than some cheaply purchased toy, and make the most accurate shots, you might want to put some buck on the Beretta 92FS. The pistol's rugged design makes it appropriate for the toughest conditions, whether it's an open fire situation or you get caught up under the rain or the scorching sun. The fact that you get such a powerhouse in such a pretty design is quite fascinating, as the Beretta 92FS is available in various finishes. You can either agree or disagree, or even agree to disagree, but the Glock 17 is a very, and I say again, very reliable pistol. It's one of Glock's best pistols and has been used to train a lot of newbies who have turned out to be amazing shooters. Get the Glock 17 out anytime, any day, and it'll deliver with the kind of accuracy that will leave you wondering where it's been your entire life. Military agents around the world have come to appreciate this pistol for its reliability. It's saved countless lives and is still on the mission of protecting those who depend on it daily. If you're a Glock fan who hasn't tried the G17, adding it to your pistol collection may be the decision that elevate your shooting experience for good. Its 17-round magazine capacity can also use higher capacity extension, which means you get a maximum backup ammunition alongside accuracy. If you're out for a pistol that'll keep you out of harm's way, you may be making a great choice by considering the Glock 17. The P226 Zev may not sound so familiar. It was born out of a genius collaboration and may be one of the most reliable SIG pistols you can have in your collection. Through its outstanding performance, the SIG P226 Zev has shown that it can be trusted in even the most uncertain of circumstances. Since it was introduced into the market, this pistol has appealed to a huge crowd of civilians. It seems that the collaboration that led to the production of the Zev is a good response to the needs that have been lingering in the civilian market. If you're yet to find the pistols that meet your need for a reliable handgun that doesn't compromise on firepower, you may be doing yourself a favor by trying out the SIG P226 Zev. If you have to be out a lot in the summer and you need a pistol that won't leave you for dead when an uncertain situation occurs while it's raining, then your best bet may be the CZ75 SP01. Designed to be corrosion resistant, this pistol won't only last you long, but also shoot every time you pull the trigger in the rain, so you don't have to doubt the reliability of the gun when things go south and there's a heavy downpour. The CZ75 has an 18-round capacity, and what's even more exciting is the fact that you can get higher capacity if you want. So it doesn't really matter if you're far away from a gun store when you need a pistol. With the right magazines loaded, you'll be well armed. Hundreds of rounds have been shot through the CZ75 SP01, and it's shown remarkable reliability and accuracy. With the CZ75 SP01, you get a pistol that's as reliable as it's ergonomic. Get your stance right, point it in the direction you need, and close your eyes if you want, but you can rest assured that it'll be a hit. CZs never disappoint. Before we move on to the top 3 pistols on our list, let me share the tip I promised you earlier. And yeah, we even added a bonus pistol at the end of the video, so do be sure you see it. Here's a shooting tip. If you want to get the most out of your pistol and enjoy every bit of it, learn the proper way to pull the trigger. It's not just about the pistol's trigger being crisp and all. Even if you get the crispiest trigger but don't know how to squeeze it right, your pistol is useless. Now, the best way to squeeze your trigger may depend on your preference or hand size, but ultimately, get your trainer to show you the best way that'll work for you. Or better yet, discover it yourself. Released at the 2024 SHOT Show held in Las Vegas this year, the Shadow Systems XR920P turns out to be one of the most versatile pistols available on the market. I've heard people say if a pistol ain't popular, then it's not worth giving even the cheapest look. But people who say that have no idea how many astounding pistols are laying low, waiting patiently for someone who has eyes for quality to find them. The Shadow Systems XR920P is one of those pistols you can trust to be extremely reliable even under high-stress situations. It has a built-in QD compensator that greatly helps to manage the muzzle of the gun. With a 17-round magazine capacity, these pistols provide maximum firepower to manage whatever situation you find yourself in. If you have a thing for polymer pistols, then you're in luck because the Shadow Systems XR920P comes in a polymer package, and you know that means lightweight and some level of durability. For the bonus pistol I told you about earlier, check out the HK VP9. The striker-fired market was hit significantly with the introduction of the HK VP9. The pistol continues to be the favorite among many who fancy full-size pistols that aren't just ergonomic and high-performing. Being a good option for both left and right-handed individuals alike, you'd be making a positive decision by trying out this pistol or even purchasing it if you're a southpaw with an eye for value but haven't been able to find the right pistol to put your money on. The HK VP9 concludes our review of the best reliable pistols ever made. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if so, please let us know by hitting the like button and sliding into the comments section to drop your thoughts on the pistols on our list. We always look forward to your engagements. Also, please share this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new here and would like to get more updates like this from us. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.